Trading involves risk. Results are not guaranteed.
I will now let Pocket Option Auto Trader run for 30 minutes and let's see how it goes. If you like what you're seeing and you want this binary option robot for yourself, you find link above the video at X and link below the video at YouTube. It's for desktop and for cell phone, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Let's start up the bot. And there we got it. He did just take 18 trades. We got just a 50% win rate, but we still made $1,099. So If you want it, you find link about the video at X, link below the video at YouTube. Have an amazing day.